Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. It's party time! Yes, if you are planning a party in your home, then I would suggest that you keep this recipe in your list and it is going to be a hit. I guarantee on it. So this recipe is the Chicken Chakhna. You can serve it as a starter or even team it with your cocktails. Whichever way, you will be left with only praises from your guests. So these are the few ingredients that I have shown you. It is very simple and easy to make it. Just follow the instructions, and yes, I have the ingredients list at the end of the video. So come on, let's start off. You heat a tawa or a karai and then lightly roast this peppercorns and the coriander seeds. Do it in a low flame. We just want a light change in color. Once you have seen that the color has changed, you switch off the flame and let it cool down. The next part is to grind it. We are now going to add water into this. It's going to be kept dry. Now into this we are going to add a few other spices. The first one being the kasuri methi. This is actually the leaves of the fenugreek plant. Then we add the chaat masala. This is the dry spices. We are going to keep it separately. We are going to use it later on. Now we will do a little bit of chopping, mincing, and then we are going to grind this into a fine paste. So first let's chop the onions. We'll keep a little bit of onions separately, and along with the onions we are going to mince a little bit of ginger and a little bit of garlic as well. And this we are going to keep it aside. And the rest we are going to make a paste. So basically the paste will be made of onion, ginger, garlic, green chilies and the tomatoes. That is all. Now here this is the chicken, and I have used the country chicken, that is the desi murgi.
You can use broiler chicken as well. That is better because it takes less time to cook. I'm going to marinate this with vinegar and salt. So first I'm going to add these two and mix it with my hands. After this has been mixed well, I'm going to add the paste that we just made into this and then mix it again. I'm going to keep this marinated chicken for about half an hour, minimum half an hour. You can keep it overnight also, but remember, if you keep it overnight, that is more than 6 hours, then kindly keep it in a glass container, not in a steel one, because it starts to react because vinegar has been put into it. So since I'm going to keep it just for half an hour, the steel bowl is fine for me. So we'll start cooking after half an hour. First, we'll heat a karai and add mustard oil into it. The list of ingredients will be given at the end of the video. You all must be knowing this by now. So let's start. First is mustard oil. When the oil gets heated to a smoking heat, that is when smoke starts coming out, you will add in the bay leaf and then the minced ginger and garlic. Give it a good stir. When it slightly changes its color, I'm just going to zoom it and show it to you. Yes, that is the change in color, as you can see. Then you'll add in the chopped onions into it and give it a good stir. You'll fry it for some time and then you'll see a change in color to golden. Then we will add the marinated chicken into it. This is a very easy recipe. Anybody can make it. You just put the chicken into it and start stirring it for some time so that everything is mixed well, and then cover it and keep it on a medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will uncover it and give it a stir again, and then add the turmeric powder, the Kashmiri red chili powder, that is to give it that red rich color to this party food, and then if you want it more spicy, more hot, you add in the red chili powder. So basically there are two chili powders used here. One is for color and one is for the spiciness. Cover it again and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see that the water has decreased considerably. Now give it a good stir again. At this time, the chicken, though it has not cooked completely, is about 60% done. If it's a broiler, it will cook faster, remember that. But if it's a country chicken that you're using, it will take a longer time, maybe double the time. Now you're going to add hot water into it and cover it and cook it again. Now we are going to cover it so that the chicken gets cooked completely. After this, you remove the cover and check the salt. If need be, you add some more salt into it. Now keep on frying, as you call it, koshano. When the water has completely dried up, you add in the dry spices. By this time, the chicken will have cooked. If it is not cooked, you give it some more cooking time and see that it is completely cooked. So here, our chicken chakhna is ready to be served, and it is going to be a blast in your party. If you found our video interesting, then please do consider subscribing to our channel and do press the bell button and select all so that you get all the notifications whenever we upload a video. Generally, we upload a video every day. That is what we try to do. And we try to cover the topics of gardening, cooking, as well as crocheting and many more other activities which make us happy. So please do consider subscribing to our channel, and please do like, share and comment, and share the recipe with your friends, family and relatives. Thank you once again for watching our video till the end, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And this is the list of ingredients for the recipe. You can follow this. Till we meet again in the next video, it is bye-bye. Have a great day.